Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Neha Sultana Narayanpet and I hope you all are doing great. So today's video is going to be about the charts. As you can see the charts, right? I prepared the charts that I prepared for my B.Ed third semester. And yes, I'm really wanted to show all the work that I have completed. As I show you each chart, which I have already started showing you, I'll also share a little info about it. Okay, so these charts are related to my third semester of method one, that is English. Okay, so in B.Ed, writing lesson plan is very important, that we all know, right? But preparing teaching learning materials like charts is equally important. In fact, we were instructed to prepare two charts for every lesson plan, right? So, yeah, since I completed 8 lesson plans for English method, I created a total of 16 charts. And one important thing while preparing this chart is that the pictures we select should be, exactly related to the topic we are teaching, and the visuals should help students understand the lesson more effectively. Okay, the process was quite detailed. First I selected suitable pictures, then pasted them neatly on drawing sheets, added headings, and wrote relevant information about each topic. So I tried my level best for every chart to look attractive, informative, and easy for students to understand. Honestly, I absolutely love the work I have done here. I put a lot of time and effort into creating these charts, and seeing the final result made me feel really good. And it wasn't just for English method, for social science method, I prepared another 16 charts. Yes. Apart from that, for the criticism lesson plans that we have in the third semester, I created 8 more charts. So initially, our madam told us that you know, even if we write two criticism lesson plan is okay, but if you want to write four, that is also accepted. Okay. So I have chose to write four criticism lesson record, and yes, but I wanted to do more and give my best. So altogether, I prepared 40 charts for my third semester in total. Can you imagine that 40 charts? And at one point I had so many charts around me that my room looked less like a bedroom and more like a stationery shop. Yes, to be honest. And honestly, whenever someone asked me what I was doing, my answer was always the same: making the charts. I think even my family got tired of hearing that sentence. For a few weeks my life had only three things: charts, charts, and more charts. Food and sleep were almost optional that time. I'm not going to lie, it was quite hectic, sitting in one place for hours, selecting pictures, cutting them, pasting them, writing content, creating headings, and making sure everything looked neat and presentable was definitely challenging. So by the end of this project, Caesar's glue and I had become best friends. Yes. And I think I used enough glue this semester to start my own stationery business. Yes, I think glue is more needed for B.Ed. And, there were moments when I felt exhausted, but I kept going because I wanted my work to be best it could be. Okay. At one stage, I was making so many charts that, even Google Images probably recognized me by my name. And after making 40 charts, I honestly felt like my B.Ed specialization, had changed from education to professional chart making. Yes, that was my thought process during this chart making. But you know what? The most satisfying part was after the submission. The moment I submitted everything, I felt such a huge sense of relief. It was like a big burden had been lifted off my shoulders. All the stress, pressure and constant thinking about pending work suddenly disappeared. In fact, after submission I felt like I had completed a marathon. a chart marathon. Yes. I even started feeling that these charts were like my children. I spent so much time with them, that after submission. Yes. I felt like they are saying, bye to me and I'm saying bye to them. I was I was so into the that charts. I almost felt, bad because I do not wanted to give those charts for the submissions. I wanted to keep them by my side, but that cannot be happen. We have to submit our charts along with our records. Okay. So looking back now, I feel happy and proud that I completed everything on time, and that too 5 days before. Okay. I completed way before. Way before the submission date was announced, and this experience taught me creativity and the importance of dedication. If you have dedication, then you can achieve anything. Yes. At last, what I became philosopher. Even though it was a lot of work, I truly enjoyed the learning process and the opportunity to create something meaningful. And if chart making were an Olympic sport, I think I would at least win a bronze medal by now. Yes. So I hope you like them as much as I enjoyed making them. And if you do, then do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Yeah, uppercut, punches got him bustin' up. Potion in his double cup, liquor got him buttered up. Yeah, not my competition. Every track is like I got bubble guts. Fast life, buckle up. Yeah, turn an angel into angel dust. Top rope caution, got it jumping like double dutch. Used to take a shuttle bus, I ate a struggle lunch. Turn my woes to wins, you know I had to knuckle up. Ayy, big bands busting out a duffel. Bloody knuckles from the last scuffle, putting dogs back on the muzzle. Might have kicked it for a month, we not a couple. Had to shuffle through my plays, you were getting hard to juggle. Hold up, little stubble on my face, I'm getting more mature. Cut some phonies out the squad, I'm getting more secure. Drop a project every year, I'm trying to tour some more and travel around the world. We, baby, au revoir. I'm booked for life, catch me if you can. Yeah, ayy, 100 grand popping out a rubber band. Yeah, okay. I'm booked for life, catch me if you can. Yeah, ayy, 100 grand popping out a rubber band. Never let them get the upper hand. You can't tax me if you don't catch me. Catch me in the field on the route like I'm Crabtree. I branched out backseat, just making them Aggie. You not a top G, bro, you going out badly. Popped a little tab, got me feeling like Bradley. Cooperstown bound, the first second they draft me. Paul Pierce the noise with any question y'all ask me. Y'all been popping my shit since y'all been popping your acne. The money just a perk, but the glory attract me. All the women distract me like Fox in a Safety. It's like I drive a taxi, they left in the backseat. Luka with the Dons, bro, just look at the stat sheet. I finish so crafty. I'm Kyrie with the drive at high speeds, they'll never take me alive. Couple losses hurt, but that could never break me aside.